Hello, today the first thing I did was fix the crusher, because of course that is number one on the priority list. So, first of all, I took the advice from Toby, I guess, and I used global scale instead of scale. And then next, I moved everything into variables and into functions, separate functions. So basically, instead of having everything on a timer, as it was before, we now have variables to detect. For example, if I go up here, we have a variable to detect the moving down and waiting. So instead of having the timers, we have those variables instead, which means that it's not running every frame like it was in Physics Process. Anyway, I'm not going to show it because I have something else to show today. But anyway, that's how I've updated the crusher. The pillar doesn't work completely, but I think it works fine. It works fine for now. I mean, like, it's kind of, yeah. Anyway, next up on the agenda, we have my new initiative, which is, well, we have all these features, but we need to implement them into the game somehow. So I'm starting level design. At first, when I started the level creation, I had this, which was kind of basic, but I liked where the player started. And then I built it up all the way into this, which isn't much at the moment, but there is a door at one side. This is going to be like the first puzzle. I know there's no puzzle here. Like, you move up the stairs, you learn to walk on this section over here, then you jump up here twice. Then there's a danger of jumping over this because you can fall into it, but you jump over, you go through the door. This is level 1, puzzle 1. Of course, I want to have something like over here saying WASD move, or AD move, and W jump, and something like that. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. That's all for today. I don't know. I kind of haven't been having fun. I actually tried to record this video first time before this one, and I sounded kind of depressed in that video. So I re-recorded and I did this recording, and I'm actually more excited to do the second recording because I don't know. I just feel happier now for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's a glass half empty, glass half full situation. I don't know if I'm making logical sense with what I'm saying, but the basic story is making the crusher killed me. I didn't have any motivation the first time I tried to record this video, and now I do have motivation again. Also, I recorded this video, which I was going to use in this video, but I ended up dropping the idea, but I guess it's in the video now. Anyway, it was just me dragging this around. You can clearly see when I recorded this, I had the pen tool equipped on the tile map when I was building the level. I had the terrain selected, and yet it was still moving it for some reason instead of drawing the tiles. I fixed it by using the keybinds instead of clicking on the pen tool, but it was kind of annoying and it wasted 20 minutes of my time. Anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it a bit easy. I kind of need to regain my strength for the upcoming days with the quarter quash. I wanted to thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, partly. I'll be half there.